Hello, my name is Tristan Matthew, founder CEO of Skypoint. This is Q2 2025 Skypoint AI product update, 400% of the product. So Skypoint, our focus is on AI agents for healthcare, primarily around payers and providers. You might ask, what is an AI agent or an application or a capability set that is so-called LLM powered, which means that it has the ability to make autonomous decisions and drive value towards its user. So the word autonomous in healthcare has to be done very carefully because you need 100% accuracy in the decisions that is made. And you can always put your human in the loop and things like that. But our focus is on agents that make decisions and also provide you data intelligence and so on and so forth. So I'll touch on some of the use cases about payers and providers. So first, more about the company. We started mid-2020, about 5 years now. Have HITRUST R2 compliance, which is the highest level of healthcare certification that you can get. SOC 2 Type 2. So we got Inc. 5000 as well as Deloitte Fast 500. And we are also a Microsoft partner and a Databricks partner, both in ISV and SaaS category. We are not a consulting company. So make sure that is really underscored here. We, as a product company, is certified as a partner with Microsoft and Databricks. So about 80 plus customers. We have about 60 full-time employees in the company. So leadership-wise, Tristan Matthew, I'm the CEO. I got Rob Norton and Kishore. All three of us came from Cambia Solutions. I also got Jamie and Gavin. They have different backgrounds coming and companies that had capability set in B2B marketing and things like that. So we have a ton of experience in the team across the leadership as well as on the organization to drive real value using healthcare and health tech backgrounds as well as executing around both payers and provider backgrounds. So what is the problem we are trying to solve? Payers and providers are drowning in fragmented data, human workflows, and pre-AI software, and high administrative and labor costs. So what does this all mean is access to care is difficult. You have increased cost of care. You have frustration both in payers and providers and patients and everybody surrounding it. There's a lot of regulatory and administrative overhang. So the collective solutions that healthcare has to work with the workflows that are embedded in healthcare. So if you actually create solutions that is outside of it, it's very hard for people to use it. So our products are architected in a way that is specifically connected to the healthcare workflows. So if you look at the first capability set, what we call the UDP, which is bringing the data together and really creating the right foundation for AI to thrive. AI is garbage in and garbage out if your data is not in the right place. So that is the first thing we do, is to make sure data is organized, clean, and governed. We supply that to a compound AI system that really executes on a variety of different AI agents and applications. We have a ton of existing pre-built AI agents and apps or agentic apps. For example, care management with Liam, provider productivity, quality and compliance, flow automation, patient experience, and operational insights. All of them really drives for creating value for both payers and providers. I'll give you a couple of examples. Prior authorizations, automating that, and also delivering capabilities for payers. So it helps both parties. Prior auth is great for RCM. For providers, it's great for driving utilization management on the payer side. Referrals is another one. Improving quality and risk adjustment when you're actually dealing with value-based care. For example, patient experience, communication, proactive communication from the providers and the payers using AI agents, making calls, doing follow-ups and things like that. So it is delivering better care experience for your patients. Operational insights is extremely critical for payers and providers to operate a healthy business. Workflow automation is key element of driving productivity across all of these different workflows that is in healthcare. Lastly, quality and compliance is paramount. So your ability to interact with, ask questions about your policies and procedures in line with your workflows, also using natural language is really key. So if you look at Skypoint, we deliver these capabilities in a single product, and it is driving value and return on investment for our customers. So this is Skypoint's AI Studio, which is where we bring all the data together, and it's the backend infrastructure of the product. Catalog it and have all the controls around it, master data management, how we manage different agents, AI systems, and all of this is built into the product. So from the get-go, so it is all HITRUST R2 compliant, and it is driving value for our customers. Next, I want to touch on this AI agent called Leah, which is for care management. As you can see in this layout, it is working in line with your EHR. We are agnostic to any EHR. We work with any EHR, whether it could be Epic, Point-and-Click Care, Matrix Care, ModMed, Allscripts, it doesn't matter. So we have an innovative technology to really understand how the screens move and how the product works like an EHR system, and work directly in the workflow of the providers. Providers doesn't need to switch the apps. It goes away if it doesn't need it. So it comes as a notification at the right time. You can open up, execute what you need to do, and then keep moving forward. So think about this, where I'm looking at a patient's data. All the health needs of that patient is right there at the EHR. So it is truly augmenting the provider's workflow. So you can do prior authorizations, you can do referrals, you can do medication management, you can drive patient insights. All of this in a single product, but it helps providers to be far more productive and focused. But on the payer side, it is driving better utilization and bringing the cost of care down. That means that you can actually improve access to care. So this whole idea is using AI to read medical policies, read claims policies, and understand risk, understand quality, understand whatever medications, side effects. All of these can be provided as quick information to your providers and caregivers, and they can actually take action around it. So Leah is a very innovative AI agent that allows you to bring your patient 360 or resident 360 or member 360, all these different 360s, truly in the hands of the providers who are making decisions. So we can actually connect payers and providers using this very innovative technology without changing the workflow. You don't need to change your EHR system. You don't need to change your care management system. You don't need to change your claim system, none of this. So you can actually deploy this and create immediate value from the product. So we have also AI agents to do follow-up visits, all of these kinds of things. There is a variety of voice agents and things that works in the background. But the key is how these apps or agentic applications are really driving value. Next is around quality and compliance. Always your staff, it doesn't matter your administrative staff or care staff, always has questions about various policies and procedures and things like that. So we have a co-pilot, which is fully built for healthcare. So the natural language capabilities in each of our agents, and it can interact with each other and also by itself and have all these control flows. It can use different tools and things like that and make autonomous decisions. So quick, productive, and you're getting answers with citations and really driving decisions at the point of care, and you're continue to able to be more productive in driving value for your organization. Operational insights is very key. So you have to have reports and dashboards and things like that you might have, or you can continue to augment it. But the key is we can actually work with your existing infrastructure, your existing capabilities and things like that. So think of the AI agents in various aspects, whether it could be prior authorizations, could be referrals, could be improving quality, risk adjustment, medication management, all of this, and to bring in the 360 view, getting patient charts, or anything you want as a provider to really improve your quality of care, bring your costs down, your labor costs down. That is Skypoint's role, is to deliver those AI agents in a controlled environment, working with our customers, truly bringing the value and delivering the 4x ROI, 400% ROI for our customers, and you to get a demo from us and see if this is a fit for you and your organization. Thank you.